Good morning, you guys. Yeah, my eyes are like a little bit puffy. I think, yeah, I'm tired. I haven't been sleeping that well lately. I've been working a lot and I just had so many things to do. So I literally wake up even earlier than my alarm because I think I'm worried about like a lot of things to handle. So anyway, I have just decided to start just sharing my daily routine with you guys. So I'm just gonna tell you what my plan is for the day, and then I'll update you as things go if anything interesting or out of this world happens. So yeah, today I've got quite a hectic day, so I have to book flights to like world transport, whatever. I haven't decided. I need to book for my trip to Durban Margate because I have plans there for that weekend. I also need to do some washing. That reminds me, I need to take this top off and go wash it. Yeah, because and so I've already shot a video. So I wanted to shoot a video on a spa review that I did on a spa that I went to recently, Renaissance Day Spa. That's why I'm wearing this t-shirt because I was actually wearing it yesterday when I went to the spa. So I was just like, I could just record the video with it. So I've already done that. And then now I also have a 12 o'clock. So I have like a campaign that I'm doing that I have to post at 12 o'clock on Instagram. So I had that video, at least I've done the video of the review. Now I have that 12 o'clock on Instagram. And then I also want to upload a video of my day at the spa yesterday, today. So I want to time it for like 1 o'clock. So I need to do a few more edits on it. So I also have that. Secondly, I want to edit that video, the review video today as well. Busy day. And I also want to send like a nice gift to somebody special. So I need to do that today as well. What else? I'm not sure if I'll end up doing all of these today. So, yeah, that's what my plan is for today. Just drop a comment. Tell me what you guys are planning to do today. How's your day looking? Is it like crazy, crazy? Oh, and I also have to pack all my stuff because we're moving soon. That's also on today's agenda because I might be leaving for Durban tomorrow. Yo, guys, when do I eat? When do at least I've already showered. Because I almost was like, when do I shower? So, yeah, what a hectic day. But yeah, that's what my day is looking like. And if I have some time, I'll probably try to edit another YouTube video because I'll be going to like Durban and I'll just be using like data there. So it's not as good as like Wi-Fi. I'm gonna try and do as much as I can. Probably gonna put in a late night today as well. Oh, and I also have some emailing to do. I need to respond to some important emails. So yeah, that's how my day is looking. Wish me luck, and I wish you luck as well. Have a good one. I'm excited. It's gonna be a great day. I'm gonna smash all of these goals and I come back here and just like check, what did I do, not do. So yeah, let's get into it, guys. Let's do this.